You mean baby skillets?
No.
I mean skillets.
No, I mean baby shark doo 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 doo, baby shark doo 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 doo, baby skillet.
Click thumbs up, do 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 do. Click subscribe, do 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 do. Freddy's Little Bites. Hi guys, it's Eddie on Eddie's Little Bites, and today we're doing another Alexa challenge.
Ooh.
I wonder what we're going to have to ask her today.
Well, let's find out. So just as a quick summary, what we're going to do is pick a type of food out of the basket and then ask Alexa for a recipe. And we have
to eat it and bake it.
Yes, we do. Cook it or bake it. So
not necessarily in that order, though.
Okay.
We got to make it before we eat it, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we're going to have to probably run to a grocery store to get the items because, you know, we don't have everything in our kitchen for some of the crazy food that she may come up with. Mm-hmm. So, with that, let's pick something out.
Okay.
Fa la 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 llama.
Oh, this one, I think I got two. I'm pretty sure. Pork chops.
Oh, so we're going to have to ask for a certain type of pork chop. So, Alexa, show me a pork chop recipe.
Okay, for pork chop, here's a few recipes.
Ooh, it looks like we're making smothered pork chops. So why don't you hit that first one there, bud? All right. So, this is a Food Network kitchen recipe. It gets 4.5 stars. And let's see, what are some of the ingredients that we need here? A lot of vegetables, that's good. Cumin, pepper, lots of pepper.
Is it spicy pepper?
No. Well, there's a little cayenne, but it's not a whole lot. And then some red potatoes and other things. So, what are we going to do now?
We're going to go shopping and then we'll be back and we're going to start cooking. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
All right, Alexa, what do you think?
I don't have an opinion on that.
All right.
Okay.
Will be...
I'm going to put the bell peppers in the bag.
Red and green.
And that's it. We need red potatoes this time, not light red. Boom! We need low sodium chicken stock, or what I call it, low sodium nitrates. So we just got back from the store. We got some prep work to do, and so we have to slice, not dice, slice the Spanish onion, green pepper, and red pepper. And I've been learning some more magic. Abracadabra, abraca, slice!
Holy cow! Oh, not everything though.
No. I guess you gotta get out the cookware and start cooking!
So we got a little more things to prep, but that's okay.
Yep.
All right, let's get out the pans.
Whee! Alexa, start recipe, please.
Okay, I'll read the directions one step at a time. At any time, you can ask me to move to the next step.
Now I'm gonna add the butter and oil to each pan. I'm gonna start with butter. Okay, so we gotta put 2 in each pan.
And butter's usually marked, letting you know how much 1 tablespoon is, which is really nice on the packaging. And we did wash our hands.
Look at
Butter.
Okay, so we need 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Make sure it's over the pan. When it gets full, now dump it into the pan. And we need 1 more of those in this one. Okay.
And even though this is coming off of Alexa, it's a Food Network recipe that she gave us, so we were able to go on their website and print it out just so it's a little easier that we actually have it. Yes. Thank you, Mommy Bites.
Moo Bites measured this out for me, and I'm gonna help add the spices.
So what we're doing is making what's called a dredge,
Yes.
and we're going to put the pork chops in there, and then we will put them into the pan.
And use candy canes.
And we're going to cook these for about 10 minutes until they caramelize.
Oh yeah! Mama put in the spices, now I'm mixing it up. And this kind of smells like tacos.
It sort of does. Some of those seasonings are what's in tacos. So you're right.
So Mama Bites is putting the pork chops into this thing that I just mixed, and she's flopping it, and then she's putting it right into
The pan with the butter and the oil.
Yep. Say hi, Maxie. Hi.
So everything is on the stove and we're getting it cooked up. Now, if it takes more than 10 minutes for these to cook and to caramelize up, don't worry. The times are just sort of a guideline.
We're going to poke the red potatoes with a fork and put holes in them so we can cut them in the microwave for what the bag tells us to put in the microwave for.
Ah! Dude, you just sprayed potato juice in my eyes.
You did it to me.
Okay, wear PPE windowing this. At least it's not onions.
You could see we have the microwave going for 20 minutes is a special for today
And there's the taters.
of the tots.
The ones that attacked you.
We cooked the vegetables and took them out, and here's what it looks like. And that's the finished product.
Those are the
Pork.
pork chops.
Okay, so we're gonna get ready to make a roux. Here's the rest of the butter. Can you take those three? I've already kind of cut them off for you, and can you drop them into, very carefully because it's hot. Oh, there you go. Thank you.
Whoa, look.
So we were supposed to use the pan that we were cooking the pork chops in to make the roux. However, you're going to be adding a lot of stuff and we needed higher sides. So we transferred all of the leftover cooked bits and oil from the other pan into this pan.
Can you dump those in for me, please?
That's
too?
okay.
And now we're adding in the flour.
One. It's 3 tablespoons.
I should say Mommy Bites is now making another roux. She's good at it.
Eddie's in the other room playing for a few minutes because this is really an adult portion.
Don't burn yourself.
Thanks.
So we're adding 1.5 cups of the low sodium chicken stock.
And we've turned down the heat a little bit. Whisking it in a little bit at a time.
It's very fragrant in here.
Maxie Bites is trying to get through, but I'm blocking him.
Ooh, that's looking like a nice thick sauce.
It is. I still have a bit left to add. Okay. So see all the onions and peppers? See how they got all nice and caramelized? Now we're going to take them and we're going to dip them out of here. Dump them in. Oh, I missed one. There we go. We want them to get all coated in the sauce.
Yeah.
Yum.
Yum.
Now we're actually gonna smash the potato.
I apologize about all the clicking and clacking. The dog is
Got through his gate.
Are you smashing or are you stabbing?
Stabbing, kind of.
Well, can you smash? So here's the smashed potatoes. We are going to put some of these down on the plate.
And then
we're going to put the pork chops next to them. Put the smother sauce on the pork chops. And then we will taste and we will all do our final review.
Woo! And it should, in theory, look like that.
So I'm gonna do my taste test, and these both smell like I really can't describe it, but it does smell really good.
Does it look like the picture?
Well, it kind of does, except yeah, it does, except we aren't supposed to put gravy on the mashed potatoes, but I wanted that.
But you can have them if you want them, right? All right.
That is really good. It does have a tiny little kick, but it's perfect. It gives it the amount of flavor that it needs, and it does taste a lot like chicken and with like sauce on top. And I gotta try this.
Because pork chops taste a little like chicken sometimes.
Did you try any of the veggies yet? Did you?
No. I'm gonna get a bite with the veggies. The veggies are very nice and fluffy, and they're really good.
Cooked right, huh? So, once again, she did well for us. All right.
Mama Bite's turn.
Okay, my turn to try. So I've cut myself off some of the veggies, and I'm going to try just the pork chop with the veggies first. That's good.
Told you.
I'm going to try a little bit more with some smashed potatoes. I like it. Eddie was right. There is a little bit of flavor from the dredge, the cumin, and the what was the other stuff?
Cayenne pepper.
That's what it was. The veggies are really well cooked. They're a little sweet because they got caramelized. The potatoes are yummy.
And you've taken much more than just a small taste.
There's more. I made more. It's okay. Okay, Daddy Bites, your turn.
Alrighty. Okay, so it's Daddy Bite's turn. Smells very, very good. Got a little of the sauce, the pork chop, and some veggies. This is fantastic. I would actually pay a decent amount of money for this at a restaurant. Yeah, Bud, you're right. The cayenne pepper you can taste a little bit, and it has a little kick, but it definitely adds to the flavor. The sauce is fantastic. Let's try a little of the potato. Potato is very creamy, and yes, you definitely want some of the gravy on the potatoes because it definitely enhances. But the potatoes are good otherwise. Yeah. And I know Eddie forgot to mention this when we started, but if you could please like and comment on this video, we would greatly appreciate it. We're going to continue to do these Alexa challenges because, well, they're fun and we get to try a lot of new food. And of course, if you like what you're seeing, we really would appreciate if you click that subscribe button and the little thumbs up down below and the little bell thing which notifies you of other videos. And with that, I think somebody needs to get back up here.
And remember to enjoy every little bite. Bye! Maxie!